Pollination. Pollination is an essential ecological survival function. It is important because it leads to the production of fruits we can eat and seeds that will create more plants. Pollination begins with flowers. The male and female gametes in flowering plants are produced in the pollen grain and ovary respectively. As both the types of gametes are non-motile, they have to be brought together for fertilization to occur. Do you know how is this achieved? Pollination is the mechanism to achieve this objective. Plants make use of external agents to achieve pollination. External agents may be water, wind, insects, and birds, etc. The process of transfer of pollen grains from the anthers to the stigma is called pollination. The pollination is classified into two types: self pollination or autogamy, cross pollination or allogamy. Cross pollination is two types: gytenogamy, xenogamy. Self pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower is called self-pollination or autogamy. That is, pollination is achieved within the same flower. It is found in both clistogamous and chasmogamous flowers. Self-pollination advantages: avoid wastage of pollen grains, less chance of failure of pollination, purity of the race is maintained, may occur without pollinators. Disadvantages: immunity to diseases is decreases, no new species and no new characters. Vigor and vitality of the race decreases with prolonged self-pollination. Adaptability to changed environment are reduced. Cross-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anthers of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same species is called cross-pollination or allogamy. The cross-pollination is of two types: gytenogamy and xenogamy. Gytenogamy. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another flower of the same plant is called gytenogamy. Genetically, it is similar to autogamy since the pollen grains come from the same plant. That is, pollination occurs between two flowers present on the same plant. Xenogamy. The transfer of pollen grains from the flower of one plant to the stigma of another flower of another plant belonging to the same species is called xenogamy. Let us discuss about advantages and disadvantages of cross-pollination. Cross-pollination advantages: progeny shows enhanced vigor. Offsprings are more viable and resistant. There is a possibility to get new desirable characters. It helps in evolution. Disadvantages: pollination may fail due to distance barrier. Flowers have to totally depend on the external agencies of pollination. More wastage of pollen. It may introduce some undesirable characters.